guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Today it's time for some delicious ham pizza inspired taquitos and I cannot wait, so let's get started. On a pan I'm going to melt down some butter and then add in some chopped onion. Just fry the onion until it is nice and soft. Sprinkle over some flour. Add in some tomato paste. Lots of heavy cream. Oregano, salt, pepper. Just stir until you have really nice thick sauce. Then in will lots of shredded ham. I am ready to assemble these bad boys, and I'm just using some small tortillas and they're just a bit larger than my hand. If you're using the regular size ones, they will be quite big, so try and find the small ones. But just add on some mozzarella cheese and then some of my filling, and I have enough filling for 12 of these yummy ones. Just roll it as tight as you can and then make as many as you want to, or the 12 that there is filling for. When they all roll, it is just all about adding some oil to a pan and then fry them all until they are nice and golden brown all the way around. After that, they are ready to be served. I just like to serve mine with some sour cream on top and a little bit more of oregano. This is just so delicious. That filling, that crispy tortilla, and then that sour cream on top of the oregano is just such a delicious, yummy combo that your guests will love, or your family will love, or friends. Give it a go. All the ingredients are down below as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos. Bye.